Data types, everyone? What the heck is it? And why do we even need to know about it? Well, imagine you have a box. That's nice. But what if we could make that box do more than just hold stuff? Like, what if it could also tell us what kind of stuff it's holding? That would be pretty cool, right? Well, that's basically what a data type does. It tells us what kind of data a variable can hold. And there are two main types of data types, primitive and non-primitive. Let's start with primitive. These are the types that can hold numbers, like integers and floats. Integers are whole numbers like 5 or 10 or -2. And floats are numbers with decimals like pi or 0.3, 0, 9, 3. You get the idea. Now, non-primitive types can't hold numbers. They can hold text like a string or a list of items like a tuple. Tuples are awesome because they're ordered, meaning the first item will always be at index 0, the second at index 1, and so on. And that's it. We've unlocked the secrets of data types. Now go forth and be awesome.